right, guys, welcome back. Let's check in on our daily progress. So this is where we at. We passed level 1, L2, master the algorithm, attract viewers, amass viewers, captivate viewers, and then I'm almost at the point where, I gotta re-engage viewers, and then to the finish line down here. But the thing is over here that success is about how bad do you want it, because over here in this app, I keep track of my progress, and they give me challenges, and I stay actively going and producing. But they wanted me to post 8 videos per week. Do you hear that? 8 videos per week. I'm at 146 videos per week, an extra 130 plus videos. Like, do you want to compete and stay average, or do you want to be above average, or do you want to excel? Success is about how much you put in. Input equals output. The more input you put into something, a task, the more output you're going to get in results. Now, my next goal is obviously to get 100,000 subscribers, but we're working this thing one step at a time, one day at a time. So therefore, the app is telling me, reach my goal of 20,000 subscribers by January 3rd. That's a reasonable goal. Because I take this with the approach that I am going to do the work daily, put out some type of content, value, motivational, inspirational, dance videos, whatever the case may be. But I try to produce every single day some type of content. And I've been going back and forth between YouTube and Facebook, but now I'm learning Facebook marketing in a way that I never done it before. So I'm taking these old Facebook pages that I had from like 10 years ago, and I'm bringing them back to life. So I'm doing paid advertising on these Facebook pages, and they're coming back. So I'm seeing results, and I like it. So this is why I strive for more. Rozzy grows. We stay active. We doing this every day, non-stop and 24/7. Guys, hey, stay tuned, like and subscribe, and watch me grow. All grow at the same time too. Peace.